In this video, you'll learn how to create a dashboard app using Base44. By following these steps carefully, you will successfully build your own application tailored to your needs. Start by navigating to the Base44 website. You can do this by entering the URL for Base44 in your web browser. Once the website loads, you should see options related to building apps with AI. This is the main interface where you will begin the process. Next, locate the button that says, "What will you build today?" This button is prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking on it will take you to the next step where you can describe your app idea or explore templates. After that, you will see a prompt asking you to describe your app idea. In the text box provided, type "Create a Dashboard." This step allows you to specify the type of application you wish to develop, ensuring that the platform can tailor its resources accordingly. Once you have entered your idea, you can click on the option labeled Ideas to get started. If you want, this will provide you with a selection of templates and suggestions based on your input, which can help streamline your app development process. Following this, click on the button that says Enter. This confirms your app idea and allows the platform to prepare the necessary tools and resources for your project. You may experience a brief loading period as the system processes your request. After loading, you will be directed to a new screen that displays building your idea. Here, you will see various options to customize your application further. This step is crucial as it allows you to refine the features and layout of your dashboard. Next, you should click on the option that states, "I'll create a beautiful modern dashboard for you. Let me plan this out." This selection initiates the design process and sets the foundation for your dashboards. Then you can select the prompt to add more features. This option enables you to enhance your dashboard by integrating additional functionalities that may be beneficial for your users. At this point, you may choose to type in a specific prompt if you wish to include particular features. This step is optional, but can help you tailor the dashboard to your unique requirements. Now, click on the dashboard button. This action will direct you to the central area where you can view and manage your dashboard's components. It is essential to ensure that everything is set up according to your specifications. Following this, click on Preview. This allows you to see a live demonstration of your dashboard as it will appear to users. Take this opportunity to review the layout and features to ensure everything meets your expectations. Finally, once you've completed all the steps, you will see a confirmation that states you have successfully generated a dashboard. This message signifies that your application is ready for use and can be further customized as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.